Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to upload a photo or video in AI tools after editing in AI options in PicsArt on a device. So to know more about this app, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. As we know that PicsArt is used for like editing photos, graphics, contents, or editing your video, photo in many different effects or tools using AI, or you also enhance your photo in AI method. So this is a very interesting app and it have its own interesting and unique features. So now to download or to upload your photo or video in AI, now to know how to upload a photo or video in AI method, you need to just go to your app PicsArt. Just simply click open your app PicsArt, and after opening this is the very first homepage of this app. From this all of these options below this page, you need to select the option like icon like file or folder icon like this, and after clicking on this option you need to click on this plus icon which is in very big black color. After clicking on this plus option, you can see the option like upload, and now you need to just click on this upload, and again you need to click on the upload photo. And after clicking on this upload photo, there you can see the many photos of your own gallery. From all of this photo, which photo you want to edit or upload in this PicsArt, you need to simply click on that photo respectively. So now if I select this photo, and now I have to just click the option add, which is at the very top right, and after clicking on the option add, your photo will be uploaded. Now you see your photo has been uploaded in this folder, now in this files, and now you are ready to edit your photo according to your choice. And now if I want to edit my photo, this photo in AI tools, I have to just click on this photo, select. After selecting, you need to again click on this option tools, which is at the very bottom, and after that there you can see the option like AI enhance. Like you need to just select the option like AI enhance, and as we know that this is the subscription tools, and after clicking on that, your photo will be edited on AI effect on your device in PicsArt. Now see, now your photo has been edited. So before this have like it's kind of blurry. Now after the editing, your photo have been just cleared, your face is cleared. Now this is how you can just edit and upload your photo or video. Just to upload video, you can also use this same method. Now you need to just click on this arrow down option to save or share your photo on your device, and now you are ready to share your photo wherever you want to. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.